Alright, thanks for joining me for this unboxing video. We'll be unboxing this BC Coilover for my 2000 Honda Accord Coupe EX, which comes with a V6 engine. However, I believe it should work for all the 98 to 02 Accord inline 4 engines as well. It comes nicely packaged in this heavy-duty cardboard box. Now, this is the BR series, which I believe is one of BC's entry-level coilovers. As we open the first box, we are greeted with a box within a box. As a graphic designer, I love the graphics on this box. Whoever did the graphics at BC, hey, it's on point. As we continue with the unboxing, we see that BC has packaged some documents into this bag. This includes all the information on the warranty and some nice high quality stickers for all you sticker lovers out there. I may or may not be using these stickers, so stay tuned guys. And here it is. This is the BC Coilover set for the 6th generation Honda Accord, which runs from 1998 to 2002 here in the USA. The quality is amazing. It's heavy duty for sure and very well built. The threads are more sparse versus my current setup, which is the Function Informed Type 2. This means that adjusting the right height won't take as long. So that was for the front strut. Now I'm going to pull out the rear strut and inspect it. Upon inspection, the lower bushing looks tight and of high quality and should help with ride comfort. Again, the build is just amazing. And as you can see, there's a good weld right here, some cautionary label here, and it's nice that BC includes this sticker so you won't try installing it on a Civic or some other vehicle. The top plate looks amazing in this gold coat and it feels nice too. And the knob looks pretty good. Let's take a closer look at the front strut again. All the labels are here, so you can't go wrong with the install. Just getting a feel for these locking rings to see how good they are. And the top hat is nice, just like the rear. Overall, it looks great and I can't wait to get it installed in my Accord. Thanks for tuning in everyone. See you on the next video.